This is Stu from the DiscoverText team with an introduction to creating buckets in DiscoverText. So once you come to DiscoverText.com and log in by your chosen method, you can choose to work on an existing project which will bring you to your project management page. On this project management page you can see I've been experimenting with some of our application programming interface tools for harvesting news feeds from Facebook pages and Twitter feeds. So in this project called API Testing, I've got 16 archives, about a half dozen buckets, a couple of peers, and a data set. You can click on the View Archives button to get a list of the archives you've got in that particular project. And then you can click on the name of an archive to access the archive details. Here you're going to get a summary overview of your archive and the ability to dive in and start looking at your documents. This is a partial list of 4,399 posts on the Walmart Facebook page. And you can click on the blue part of any post, which is a hyperlink, to get in and actually see the post and access the metadata. If you do a search at this point, a basic search, using this search field, and the checkbox is selected to create buckets, then your search results will be stored for future access in a bucket. And you have a certain amount of controls. There's the checkbox I just mentioned. It's in your toolbox to the left of your browser window. And within the toolbox, you can select the number of items that will appear per page of results. The snippet size in Twitter, this is sort of irrelevant because they're all short. But in longer documents, you can select the snippet size. And then you can select from whether you're going to view documents that have been read by you or someone else on your project or not. We've got controls for selecting the archives, for which bucket your search results will go to, and for adding all the search results to a particular bucket, and a useful printer-friendly layout for search results. If you click the Hide Toolbox button or the Close button, you can reveal the rest of the left-hand navigation. That includes links to archives, buckets, datasets, and project peers. If you click on the word Buckets, you'll come to your bucket management page. You can see the kinds of buckets I've been creating using these experimental datasets. As it says here, buckets are broad categories. They can contain the aggregated results of multiple searches within an archive or within a project. If I click on the one I just created, I come to the bucket details. Not much to see there, but you can, importantly, create a dataset from any bucket, and I will cover dataset creation and coding of datasets, which is one of the purposes, the central purposes, of the DiscoverText platform. My name is Stu. You can contact me anytime. We're always looking for good ideas and helpful feedback. Thanks.